Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your last love bite for the month. And these are general collective readings, Leo. Will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's see. Let's see what message wants to show through Leo for you now. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, this is going to be a small little love bite. Welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. If you enjoyed the reading, do join us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first few cards I have on the table for you, Leo, are the Ten of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the Sun, Two of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the High Priestess, Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. All beautiful, upright, happy cards here, Leo. Yes, somebody's bottom of my deck I have the Nine of Wands. So I wonder why that is. Somebody wanting to give it one more shot, something like that. There is some stable new beginning which is of importance right now, Leo. This is right in the center here. So let's see what's going on. Somebody wants to have this Ten of Cups. They want to work together with somebody who makes them really happy. There is a period of being standing on crossroads, planning maybe. It's almost seems like planning a brand new stable beginning, but keeping quiet about it. They're waiting maybe patiently for a reunion because somebody I think wants to offer something really stable here. Let me take some. We'll clarify these cards, Leo. Let me start with some dialogue message cards and see what's going on here, and then we'll do the rest of the reading. So Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Okay. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Leo and their person. Thank you. And let's take some from here. Leo and their person. So Leo, this could be a brand new start of something good with the Ten of Cups. That's emotional happiness. And the Three of Pentacles. I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace and I miss you. Yes, there is a spirit of reconciliation and happy times. Okay. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me and I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? And have a brand new beginning, stable new start. Joyous reading, all beautiful cards here. It irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I'm doing everything I can to learn and grow to become a better person. You tease me and make fun of my beliefs. I find that really hurtful as you're unwilling to even talk with me about them. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. Yes, I do see somebody at crossroads right now planning. Maybe there's silence between the two of you right now, but the underlying energy is how to have this stability, this fresh, new, stable beginning, how to have a reunion after things have stagnated for a while. I know that it's in my destiny. No, I know it's in our destiny to marry and be together. We are to be united in mission to serve God's plan to spread love and light in this world. Our common gifts are important to this world. Not taking you not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words, and I'm feeling so fragile right now. Like I said, you guys could be not talking to each other right now. Okay. I need some time to collect my thoughts. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. Okay, this is interesting. Let's see what's going on. Let's start with an angel blessing card and see how my angels would bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Speak your truth, Leo. I don't think my lions, lionesses have any trouble. If there's anything in your heart or your mind, I think it's time to say it so you can have your brand new beginning. What's the point of just standing at crossroads all the time, not being able to say what you really want, when in actuality, this is what you really desire, right? A stable, brand new beginning, reconciliation, and growth, and working together. All right, let's start our reading. Let's see what's going on here. Spirit-wise, the Ten of Cups here. Why is the Ten of Cups and the Three of Pentacles here? Yes, I think somebody knew who they wanted their Ten of Cups with, but instead of being open, somebody tried to be a little emotionally manipulative, maybe didn't reveal their true emotions here, and was trying to kind of play the magician. And in doing so, whatever tricks they had there up their sleeve, I think they kind of lost their chance for this Ten of Cups here. The same Ten of Cups. I'm getting a bit tongue-tied suddenly. But this person, instead of being open and honest, I think, hid their true emotions and tried to be a little bit of a magician here. And this relationship, I think, kind of got sidetracked here. Now this masculine, I think, is feeling rather anxious now because maybe the partner is holding back. What's this Three of Pentacles? They really do wish to kind of work together now after this so-called ending has happened. Maybe somebody was just kind of trying to trick the other person, not being honest, not being open, not really telling them what's in their heart, and their partner kind of took it the way it was shown, right? Now even though they want to work together, they're feeling, oh my God, maybe it's already over. But they do want to work with this person who I think is a little upset and angry with them. Some memories have been created, or maybe there's been a little fight or something. It doesn't seem very major to me, Leo. This could be somebody just a little upset with you. But I do see the beautiful Sun card here. What's the Sun card, which is a Leo card? Yes, somebody took this too slow here, Leo. They were too slow in offering happiness, this Ace of Cups which they felt. They knew this, their partner made them very happy, and there was a potential for brand new love maybe, but they just tried to play the magician here, didn't speak their truth when it was time, and they made their partner a bit upset and angry. Two of Wands. Yes, this whatever game, standing at crossroads, or whatever this magician tried to play, it backfired. It backfired big time because the person got upset, it seems. Ace of Pentacles. Why is that the center here? Yes, somebody wants to begin again. Hey, let's get over whatever happened in the past, whatever toxicity happened in the past. Can we just forget about that? Can we just come together again and be happy and friendly and reunion? And this is like a happy, joyous card. Let's just start again. Let's come back together and begin again. But I think there's a bit of silence here. Why is this High Priestess here, Spirit? High priestess is clarified by the high priestess. Now, whoever the person was on the other side, who I think was the feminine, who was not told in the first place, I think is kind of, they had nothing else to do but listen to their intuition, right? Because their partner was probably playing the magician. So they have been really tapping into their own spirituality, and what they have figured out is, I don't want to be in any connection which is going to give me stress. So I'm going to hold back, I'm going to keep my secrets to myself, I'm not going to open up because I don't want to be stressed out. Maybe that tentative movement made in the past didn't work out because their partner was playing the magician and holding back from them or emotionally manipulating them. And now this feminine here is now kind of holding back to say, I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to get again worked up and stressed out about this connection. And that's the reason it's kind of slowed down. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. It's kind of slowed down. Somebody is saying, I don't want any more secrets between us. First of all, you have to be very open, very honest with me if you want to have a reunion here with me. And come to me correct. Come to me correct as the King of Pentacles, not a King of Cups in reverse and the Magician. Three of Cups, Spirit? Yes. And the King of Pentacles? King of Pentacles? King of Pentacles? The Sun card again. One more. What's this? Two of Pentacles here, Spirit? Okay, so good. That is 100% chance, Leo. This can come around once again. Whoever this person, the feminine, I think, is saying, if you want to have a reunion with me, I don't want no more secrets between us. We either have to do this correct so we can grow for long-term stability, or it's all right, let's put it to an end. And I do see a masculine now stepping up their game. If they were kind of going back and forth or juggling two ideas or whatever they were doing, they're dropping all that. If they were even keeping themselves guarded or defensive, all that is going. And guess what we're left with? The Sun card again with the Justice card. So balance being restored and happiness, Leo. So that is beautiful. That's beautiful. I don't know who this is for, Leo. You would know your story here, who you are in this dynamic. But whatever said and done, whatever this was, the Magician was just a game, which backfired, like we saw. It kind of got backfired, but somebody is going to now show you what they're worth and what they're going to do, right? The sun will shine again, and here is victory and justice for you. Excellent reading, Leo. I hope it works out. Let me know how it works. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.